will show you what version of PowerPoint you have on your PC, on your office, if you don't know. And this, what you see on my desktop, I'm downloading the latest Office updates, and I show you how to do this. And if you check my videos, you will see I have recorded video how to update of your Office. And what you must do is just click and let's see PowerPoint, and this is my PowerPoint, and it's not, I have key, it's not any. And as you see now, it's not for now, but I will put key and view analysis. It's my Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2021. And like I said, if you want what I'm doing now, update for the latest version, you have here update option. You have update now. You can disable updates if you don't update for security, performance, and reliability. You can view your updates and about updates on the plates. Now, as you see now, what I'm doing, I downloading Office updates, and I will put the key, and I have, and everything will be okay. That's so, guys, that you know, just go to account and see here. So it's really easy, but sometimes we don't know that and not going for that. So that will be all for now, and thank you for watching, guys. And if you are not, please subscribe on my channel to little grow up with subscribers, and please watch my previous videos, and you can like, subscribe, share with your friends, and whatever. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye.